Hi, I'm Teresa Collins and I'm addicted to washi tape. Now, if you do not know what washi tape is, wow. Okay, I get it. One of my best friends literally was like, Teresa, what do you do with washi tape? And I'm like, I've been designing washi tape for so many years, I can't even imagine not having washi tape. So, if you do not know what washi tape is and how I like to use washi tape, stay tuned because I'm all about the washi. So this is just a couple of, I have washi tape like crazy for every line I do, for every planner. So just so you know, I love how it looks in the tubes. They're super cute, but I have to tell you how I really use my washi. So I don't keep them in my tubes. This is for buy it, whatever. How I actually use my washi tape is right here in my bowl on my desk. I have washi tape because I have to grab it. And then I also have this cute little make your dreams happen. This is the Teresa Collins Be Happy box. And if you saw inside here, you guys, this is washi tape. Now, some of you are still, well, I don't get, what is washi tape? Why do I need this? What is it about? So washi tape is tape. It's decorative tape that you can use on anything you want. I like to use it on envelopes. I like to use it in my planners. I like to use it in my crafting. I just super love it. So let me show you how I use it. Now, these are the 3 sets I just showed you because washi tape comes on a roll. So if you've never bought the washi tape, you can see this is actually this cute one right here. And what is hard to see with washi tape is sometimes you can't really see, but this one says make things happen and then it repeats it. So with washi tape, since it's like a tape, it will say different things, like this one says 365 happy time 24/7 today love Look at this. This is mini gold hearts. This is marble because I'm obsessed with marble, and then I love the black and white because I think it's so cute. Now the next set, one thing that I love about washi tape is not all washi tape is the same. So if you're buying washi tape, you all know that there is some washi tape that's just, it tears, it's not very, I don't want to say it's not the best quality. So I will tell you that my washi tape is good quality because I'm a washi tape fanatic. And so look at this one right here. These tubes do not do it justice. So it is the gold stars, the gold glitter, the florals, and one thing, it's almost transparent on the ones that I've designed on these because I really wanted it to really blend into the project, and I'm going to show you that. And then the last one here that I'm going to show is the animal print, the black marble, the word love. Now washi tape, you can cut it. So that's the cool thing. So if you have washi tape and maybe you just want the word love, you don't have to use the whole strip. You decide how much you want. So a lot of people will ask me, especially for my planners, they're like, well, how do you use your washi tape? So if you can see here, I have make things happen. I've got washi tape here. I've got washi tape there. I'm addicted to it. So can I just show you how to use it? So I will take my washi tape, and if you are not a fan of washi tape, I can't believe it because it's like the neatest thing ever. So again, you can cut it. You can also tear it. It's really easy to tear. I will be honest, I kind of like to cut mine just because I can kind of tell exactly what I want. So I'm going to show you how on this washi tape, I have the word love that's repeated over and over, and it's right here. So I'm going to show you how simple it is. I'm just gonna put it on my planner page right here. Oh my goodness, can you see that? You probably can't see it too well, but I just put one piece of washi and it's like tape sticker right there. And what's so cool about washi tape, guess what? What if I decided I don't like that there? Oh no, I don't like how I put it there. So, voila, it comes off that easy. So washi tape is for me something that I love. I will use over and over, but if for some reason I put it someplace and I didn't like where it was, I can take it on and off. So washi tape is amazing. So I thought I would just show you really simply. This is my gold washi tape right here, a line of it. So I'm going to show you how simple it is just to add washi tape on your project. And again, you can decide how you want to do it. Sometimes I take my washi tape and I will literally create tabs with it in my book, or I will take it across a page, or I will, just like this is one of my media cards, and I put the washi tape all around the sides, all 4 sides. So you don't have to glue it down. Your washi tape becomes your adhesive. So it's really kind of cool. And you can tell I get a little addicted. So I can't even find a spot in my planner. These are the Teresa Collins undated planners. You can see the leopard here. It's a problem, you guys. It's really a problem because I love the washi tape. So I found a place because this is later. So can I show you how to do it? So I'm gonna do the stars because I'm addicted to all of these. It would be kind of hard for me to decide which one I like, but nope, I'm gonna change my mind. See, this is the problem. This is the problem with washi tape. It's so cute. So it comes out as a roll, and then I'm gonna put it on the bottom of my page. And like I said, I have designed mine so that it is almost see-through, which is really cool. Now, if I wanna go through 2 pages, I like to actually cut the piece there, and I just take my finger and I just kind of press it down. And then I'm gonna do on the opposite side, I've decided I wanna go ahead and continue it on the next page, which is super easy to do. And again, I take my scissors. Now, if you wanna tear it, washi tape can be torn. That's totally fine. But look how simple that is. And I've just added that to my planner along the bottom. And that is how simple. So washi tape, I'm just addicted. Like I said, I travel with this, you guys. I travel with this. And I have washi tape everywhere. And so if you love washi tape as much as I do, and you want to grab some of this amazing washi tape that is good quality, that is often, even has really cute words on, like, don't forget today, important to do. Look at this cute washi tape. So just go to my website, and you know what I also want you to do? When you're using my washi tape, make sure you send me a message on Facebook and Instagram, because I would love to see what you do with my washi tape. And if you love it as much as I do, I would love to hear this. Thanks, guys.